Übersteigen.
For SPA and all that. No, no, sportsmanship is nothing like that. And what we have because before you go back to address the journalists tomorrow, they all aren't going to say them. And Newcastle get Jeremy Coaching and Tavish Yesel. So anyhow, he's gone. Goodbye, Eddie. He'll be back soon. Hope he is. Who is Yesel? What are they getting him?
Of course, also someone who's pretty much an unknown commodity in England, Matthias Geisler, as coach.
What's his name?
Okay. So he, short story, I think he played on the Atlantic at Hoffenheim when they came up their back-to-back promotions. He was a very young friendly at the age of 25 because he had a knee injury and then he was 10 and hair was over. So he transitioned into coaching very quickly. And he is someone I compare him to Fabio Hüttl at Brighton. Both very young, very well educated, great communicator. Yes, of course, he won back-to-back championships in Austria. He won the AFC Champions League in Asia, so the top tier competition in Asia twice. In the past 2 years with and it doesn't say much because now he's coaching Newcastle. One point that should make Newcastle fans at least hope for this. First, he's a great communicator, he's a very clear communicator, and also at Van Gaal, some older players to an extent who weren't really part of the team. I mean, they are just in Saudi Arabia, not really because he wasn't playing for football, but actually he got along with all those older players that stepped up and got make players very well. And I think that's something that we should keep in mind. It's still tough. I mean, he took over 3 weeks before the start of the season, so we don't know, but I at least would give him a little bit of time. Newcastle are players to chase.
Okay. And Trusty, thank you so much for stopping by. Trusty Anchor with us. I know that you shall be back once the season gets up and running. What's his name? Yes. Yes. Of course it is. Who's the other fellow we're talking about? Or the new manager of Scotland? Who's that name?
Martin Jordan on Talksport with Selco Builders Warehouse. Check stock in your local branch. You've got it at selcob2.com.
Yes,